Gabagari y'amashemera ahari ba kansara ba Mbarara district tutere birahiro byabo kutandika gukora imirimo ya district ahaba umwaka 2026 2031 kandi muri yebyo icyatangaza abantu no kureba wabirare mukuru w'entebe ya katana haba Mbarara district Didas Tabaro kwija mukoro omukushemera Omukoro ogu gwatandika n'okurahiza kuragire hygiene twongere nka mukuru w'entebe ya katano ahabwa Mbarara district okwaba kwebembire na Bende Moses chief magistrate wa Mbarara.
Hygiene twongere kuragire so in the name of Almighty God that I shall faithfully exercise the function of the district chairperson of Mbarara district and shall uphold, preserve, protect, defend the constitution and observe the laws of Uganda, and that I shall promote the welfare of the people of the district. So help me God.
Bakansara bakwikabe na mwenda nabone ko kutere birahiro byabo ebirabahwero mukore imirimo yabo.
Swear in the name of Almighty God that I will give faithful service to this council and support the uphold the Constitution of the Republic of Uganda as by the law of established. So help me God.
David Muhwezi DC wa Mbarara district nuko kuhereza mukuru w'entebe ya katano ebikwato ebiramuhwere omukora emirimo ye.
Kuyambe kukora emirimo yera kutwara umushogo mwishogani mwena wasa chairman wite motokera bene mutambuzamu omukubahikaho okubakorera okubateka tekera
habaho no kutera karuru ko bwa speaker wa Mbarara district. Kuragire hygiene mukuru w'entebe ya katana ahabwa Mbarara district yaraganisa kora hanguto hamwe no kwisya mizi abantu akwatanise n'abanyishenjero.
The Mbarara district, we want in the next 5 years, my administration will focus on 6 pillars. 1, roads and water. Our roads should be bridges to markets, not barriers to trade.
John Bosco Bamturachi omunyishenjero wa Kashari South constituency yashaba bakansara kukora hamwe obu bahoirirweho abanyishenjero kurwanisa engozi.
Icyo kubanza no kwatanisa nk'abembezi ba government n'abembezi baba. Icya kabiri n'uburugwembuzi. Abo kuryenguzi tubakozi ba government bo tuyine n'abafutera karuru abo kuryenguzi kukizana ba government. Washanga umukozi wa government na ariyenguzi uyo mwebembezi abo kinongurisiza.
Commissioner Susan Mujema owajwekero wabali omjenyi mukuru permanent secretary Ben Kumumanya o ministry ya government zebyanga yayigabe bembezi okurebuka ngo bakoze obushoborozi kurwanisa enguzi obwe bakora telebiragiro.
RDC that is the journey and that is the reason we call all cows and town clerks on a quarterly basis. Every 3 months we have a meeting with them in Kampala to brush them, to caution them, to update them. But of course, where symptoms persist, we don't stop at that, we take action.
Hawa tayari Western Susan alinomiksa omuri Mbarara.
Congratulations.